wow, this is really compact. It's really cool. I created wireless redstone here. It's just I just spawn a redstone block over there, and that's gonna turn that redstone lamp on there, and it's really compact. So how did I do it? Well, it's very easy. You just use summon to summon a falling sand entity, and these are the coordinates. Just use spawn point, just go standing over here, oh, and just use those coordinates, or use F3, whatever you like. Then you got to do this. I'll explain here what it does. This is tile ID that's gonna tell the command block what block it should spawn, because, well, usually it's a falling sand entity, but we want it to be a redstone block. So if you search for redstone block, you can see the number, the ID next to it. You do that by pressing F3 and H. If you do that, you can see now it is not showing that anymore, so that's really handy. Now what I added is time. I set that to 1 because if you remove this, as you can see, it will not spawn anything. It will just immediately despawn. So let me put that back here. Oh god. And then there is drop item. Now what that does, it's not, well, it's very handy actually, because if you remove this or set it to 1, as you can see, it will drop items here, and that's a bit annoying. The downside is that the way it is now, you can only spawn it and you cannot despawn it. So if you turn it off, you cannot turn off the lamp actually. But luckily I got prepared, and what you can do is just this. So what this does, I set another command block here that is spawning the exact same redstone block, falling sand entity, same tile ID. The only difference is I removed the time tag. So what it does, it's gonna replace that block and convert it to an entity. So then I also made sure, of course, that drop item, well, that should be 0 anyways. And I added this here. This is motion. Now this is a little bit different than the usual tags. Usually you use the name of the tag, use a colon, and then set the value. Or if it's a string, so you can say hi, for example. But if you want, wait a minute, yeah. But if you want motion, that is the X, Y, and Z or Z tag. So those are 3 tags. Then you use these to tell him that it's the motion. Now it's just a little bit of trial and error. Set this to 0.3, so that will make it move up a bit. And wow. So that will make it move up a bit, and this one will make it move sideways. Now if you want it to disappear, you can use a slab, so that when it lands on top of it, the slab, oh wait, that's the wrong one. There we go. Now it will land on top of the slab, and that's why I set drop item to 0 again. That's to prevent it from dropping over there. So now you can actually turn on and off the lamp wireless. Now here you can better do this. It's a little bit easier. But if you use this for long distances, this is really easy. And let's see if I can break it actually. Nope. So that's good. I use 2 slabs here, because if you use only 1, for some reason this is gonna happen. I don't know how this works. It spawns on top of the, I think it's because it's still laying on here. Then if you want it to work correctly, you would have to really calibrate this stuff. So now it's too much, so we'll set this to 9. Oh wow, that actually works. So that's good. And it's still really compact. It's not only just 1 block, but it's really compact, really cool. I'll be making a lot of videos about how to spawn certain stuff, because you can do really cool stuff with it. That's it for today. I hope to see you next video, and thanks for watching.